Good day, YouTubers. Welcome back to another video with the electrical guide. Today I want to show you how to wire up a standard front and rear doorbell circuit in a residential application. So I have this board here. It's set up with a little more equipment than we actually need to demonstrate this lab. So we're not going to be talking about this button or anything connected to this button with these terminal blocks, and we're not actually going to be using either one of these two chimes. So we have here our power I have on a switch just to make it safe. We have our transformer here from 120 volts down to 16. We have some terminal blocks here, and then a couple more terminal blocks, and then we have our chime down here. So it's pretty simple actually. We have 120 volts coming into the line side of our transformer, where we have a black and a neutral, most likely on a 14-2 because we don't really draw much for a doorbell circuit. On the other side, we have our 16 volts, where we have essentially an out and a return. So how this works is we're sending power out here on this black wire that's twisted all the way through into the right side of this terminal block, where we attach to the black wire that comes through here, up into this, and stops here. In parallel, we also have another doorbell button, push button over to here. So the reds are the other sides of our buttons, and the reds come back. In this case, this one follows the white around into the center here, which is the black wire, and we follow it through, and the black wire is the front door. Same thing can be done with the other bell. We hit the button, come back on our red. The red is on this white. We follow this white around to the back. It's on this white wire on the same side, and we see that that is the rear doorbell. Now the center contact here is our common. So this red brings each one of these signals back through here, through our red, back around to our first terminal block here, across, and back through the red to our transformer. So when we press one of these push buttons, we're essentially attaching these two wires together, creating a pathway to our chime. So either one works. They don't need to be pressed at the same time because we have them wired in parallel, as opposed to series where you'd have to hit both buttons at the same time in order to hear a noise. When we wire them in parallel like this, we're able to press one or the other, and we always have a return path. So if you want to envision this wire, this wire, this wire as kind of one cable, which we're usually using an 18-2, which looks like this. It's a very thin, sometimes flat wire with just two conductors, two tiny 18 gauge conductors inside. So we removed this outer sheath here, and we're using just the conductors underneath so that we can easily see what's going on. So I hope this has answered any questions you might have about wiring a simple doorbell. And thank you very much for watching another video with the electrical guide. Be sure to like and subscribe.